Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to get started with MetaMask. Here's what we'll cover. To learn more about any of these topics, please visit our support website at support.metamask.io. MetaMask is a free open source wallet and bridge to access sites built on the Ethereum blockchain right from your favorite browser. Browsers we currently support are Chrome, FireFox, Opera, and Brave. For this video, we'll be using Chrome. From the Chrome Web Store, click Add to Chrome. Once MetaMask downloads, you'll see our welcome page. Click Get Started. If you have an existing wallet, select Import a Wallet. Since we're getting started, let's click Create a Wallet. After you click Create a Wallet, you'll be asked to opt into our anonymous usage data program to help us improve the usability of our product. Next, create a password. You will need this password to unlock your wallet, so please keep it safe. Next, you'll be asked to write down your seed phrase. It's very important to keep this phrase stored in a secure place. With this seed phrase, you can restore your wallet if you can't remember your password or if you get locked out. Try to save it in multiple places. We recommend writing it down on a piece of paper and backing it up to a password manager like 1Password. Once you've written down your seed phrase, you'll be asked to reinsert. This is our way of making sure you've written it down since you are responsible for managing your wallet and any funds stored in it. The MetaMask team cannot reset passwords or restore your wallet because we don't save any wallet data. Congrats! You've successfully installed and backed up your new MetaMask wallet. You are now ready to explore and connect to new types of dApps, buy and send value across the web, and much more. Thanks for choosing MetaMask, we're glad to have you.